Hello, Nee. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Okay. So, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Very good, Nee. Okay. So, Nee, how was the holiday? How was your holiday? Hello, Nee.
Hello.
Okay. How was the holiday? Was it good?
Good.
Nice. How did you spend your holiday? Did you go somewhere else? Did you stay at home? Or you went on a vacation to another place?
I play vacation.
Oh, you went in on a vacation. Very good. Where did you go? Where did you go,
I
Nee?
I I did go. I did go 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 swimming. Go to the swimming.
Wow, that's nice, Nee. Okay, so Nee, instead of saying I did go, okay, to swimming, we don't say this one. It's you can say I went to swim.
I went to swim.
Very good. Okay, so did you enjoy swimming?
I enjoyed.
Yes.
I enjoyed that. That I did.
Did you enjoy swimming? Yes or no?
Yes, I did.
Very good. Okay, now Nee, look at your book. Are you ready to start? Are you ready?
Ready?
Very good. Okay, now this time we are in a reading and writing part 4. Okay, so read the text and the example. All you have to do is to choose the right words and write them on the lines, or no need to write, just read together with your answer. It's all about monkeys. Can you please read? Do
Monkey.
you like
Do you like monkey? Some monkey are small and some are big. The smallest monkey group in the group is about 12 centimeters tall. Most monkey live live in the jungle in hot country. But there are monkeys in some cold countries too. All monkeys good are good at climbing trees. They love playing in the tree with with their with their friends. They eat fruit and blend, and they sometimes eat small animals too. They love eating banana, and
very
they
good?
love and
Okay, thank you so much for your answer, Nee. Very good. So here for number 5, they sometimes eat small animals and they love eating
and
bananas. Perfect. Okay, so you got a perfect score for this one, Nee, which is 5 out of 5. Amazing.
Five.
Okay, so you have this great job. Okay, but me, there is only one word that you mispronounce. So I want you to listen and repeat after me. Say centimeters. Okay, say centimeters. Centimeters.
Centimeter. Centimeter.
Very good. Okay, now Nee, let's talk about the monkey. Okay, do you like a monkey?
Some monkeys are small and some are big.
Wait. No, 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 no need to read. We will talk. Okay, do you like a monkey?
Uh,
Yes or no?
yes,
Wow,
yes,
very
I
good.
do.
Nice. Where do monkeys live?
Mon monkeys sleep, um, country.
Yes, in a very hot country. So they live in the jungle. Okay, now what do monkeys eat?
Monkey eats fruit and plant and eats small animal and eat and they love eating banana.
Yes, very good. Okay, so now, Neve, we are now in Unit 7. It's all about this is my family.
Right.
Okay, now look, if you can still remember Daisy, now let's take a look at Daisy's family tree. Okay, now look at this one. So these are Bill and May, Daisy's grandparents. Okay. Now, Bill and May have children who are Sue and Pat. Okay, Sue got married to Alex and they have children who are Anna, Daisy, and Ben. Okay, so Pat got married to Tony and they have two children who are Jim and Jane. Okay, now this time I want you to look at the family tree of Daisy and write the names. So there is one example. Okay, look at Sue. This is Sue. Okay, Sue is Daisy's mother, and who is Daisy's father?
Sue is Daisy's mother and Alex is Daisy's father. They are her parents.
Very good. What about number 3?
Pat is Daisy's aunt and Tony is Daisy's uncle.
Wow, great job. How about number 5?
May and Daisy's grandmother and Bill is Daisy's grandfather. They are her grandparents.
Nice. So what about number 7 and 8?
Ben is Daisy's brother and Anna is her sister. Jim and James are Daisy's cousins.
Wow, perfect. You are a brilliant student, me. So that is 10 out of 10. Wow, well done. So you have this one big star. Now this time, I want you to look at the family tree. Okay? So without the sentences, who are Daisy's grandparents?
Grandparents.
Who are Daisy's grandparents?
This
Okay, so what will you say? Bill and May are?
are grandparents.
Okay. One more time. Bill
Bill
and
and May i- is are grandparents.
okay, one more time. Bill and May are Daisy's grandparents.
Bill and May are Daisy grandparents.
Very good. Okay, so now who are Daisy's cousin?
Uh, Tony is Daisy. Look, Jim and them are Daisy cousins.
Very good. Okay, now look. How many siblings does Daisy have?
What?
Okay, siblings. Siblings means sister and brother. My question is,
Uh,
how many siblings does Daisy have?
Ben and Anna are Daisy siblings.
Very good. How many siblings does she have? She has,
She has Anna and Ben.
okay, so how many? She has
Has
two siblings. Very good. Okay, now who is Daisy's sister?
Anna is Daisy sister.
Very good. Who is Daisy's uncle?
Tony is Daisy uncle.
Nice. Who is Daisy's father?
Alex is Daisy father.
Nice. How many aunts does Daisy have?
Hat is Daisy aunt.
Okay, how many?
She has one aunt.
Very good. Okay, when we say how many, you have to tell me the number. So instead of saying she have, you can say she has one
Has
aunt.
one aunt.
Very good. Okay, now, let me think. Okay, now does Daisy have a girl cousin?
Uh, Daisy has one 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 girl cousin girl.
Okay, yes, she does. Okay,
Yes,
now,
Siba.
does Daisy have a grandmother?
There's Sida.
Nice. Who is Daisy's mother?
Sue is Daisy mother.
Very good. How many people are there in Daisy's family?
Mm. She has uh, 6, 8, 10, 11 has 11 people in her family.
Very good. Okay, now one last question. Okay, who is the husband of Daisy's mother?
Husband husband là gì cô cho
Okay, when we say husband, this is a man that is married to a woman, just like your dad, okay, is married to your mom. Now look at Daisy's mother. This is Sue. Who is the husband of Daisy's mother?
Alex just imagine to Sue.
Yes. Okay, so Alex is the husband of Sue. Can you please say Alex is the
Is
husband
the
of
husband
Sue?
of Sue. Ah,
Okay, now last question. Who is the wife of Tony?
Tony. Tony is the husband of Pat.
Very good. Now what about wife? Okay, who is the wife of Tony?
Pat is the wife of Tony.
Very good. Okay, so do you have any question?
No.
Nice. So give me a high five.
High five.
Very good. Okay, so you have this one happy star, Ni. So now, Ni, I want you to look and write the numbers. Okay, so here, let's take a look at this one again. Oh, it's kind of small. Okay, so there is one example. So here it is. Alex and Sue have got one son and two daughters. Okay, one son, Ben, and two daughters who are Daisy and Anna. What about number two? It's your turn.
Pat and Tony have got two children.
Very good. How about number three?
Q and May have got uh, two grandsons and uh, four grandsons and five granddaughter.
Okay, how
Daughters.
many granddaughters?
Five.
Okay, try again. Granddaughters are girls. Okay, they have
Ah,
five grandchildren. But how
three.
many
Three.
granddaughters? Yes, three. Very good. Okay, so we have Anna, Daisy, and Jane. They are granddaughters. Okay, grandson is a boy, which is only Ben and Jim. That's two. Nice. Okay, now what about number four?
They have grown up. Reasonable. Uh, they girls
Okay,
out annually.
Teacher AM, what is grown ups? Okay, grown
Grown
ups are adults. Adults mean old people, just like teacher AM, mother, father, grandpa, grandmother. Your teachers, they are all grown ups. 18, okay, 18 years old above. They are grown ups. Okay, now how many grown ups are there in the picture?
uh, um, Step 11.
Okay, now let's count. One, two, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are only 6 grown-ups. Okay, look. Grown-ups are adults, 18 years old above. Anna, Daisy, Ben, Jim, and Jane, they are called, okay, say, children.
You-
Children. Okay, now look at
Yes.
your mom. Is she a grown up? Yes or no?
Uh, yeah.
Yes, very good. Now look at teacher AM. Am I a grown up? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, now look at your brother, Vu. Is he a grown up? Yes or no?
No.
Very good. Okay, so now look at number 4. Look and say
There,
your answer again.
there are six grown up in in the picture. There are five children in the picture.
Perfect. Okay, so you have here 4 out of 4. Nice knee. So you have another one big candy. Very good. Okay, so Nee, let's move on with reading and speaking. Okay, so I want you to color the pairs that means the same. So there is one example of pair. Okay, mother and mom are the same. Okay, now
Yeah.
can you color another pairs?
Yes. Dad, dad, and father.
Very good. Who else?
Uh, grandmother and grandma.
Nice. And lastly,
Grandpa and grandpa.
wow, perfect me. Okay, so you have this one sunflower. All right. So now, Nee, I want you to read, look, and write yes or no. Then you circle the adjectives that means the same. Okay, so here, what is an adjective? Let's review. An adjective is a word that describe a noun. Okay, just like pretty, tall, smart, and happy. Those are all adjectives. Okay, is that
Okay?
clear? Very good. So now look and complete the sentence. Okay, this is an example. Has Daisy's father got a brown hair? Look, that is no.
No.
Okay. Now, what about a long hair?
No.
Nice. What about a curly hair?
Yes.
Great. Okay, has Daisy's father got a blonde beard?
Yeah.
That's right. Okay, you can say yes, he has.
Yes. That he has.
Very good. Has Daisy's father got a fair hair?
No, she has. No, no, she hasn't.
All right.
No,
Now, look at this one knee. When we say fair, fair is the same
no.
with blonde and the same with yellow. They are all the same. Fair, blonde, and yellow are all the same. Okay, now I'm gonna ask you a
Yeah.
question again. Has Daisy's father got a fair hair?
Yes, he has.
Very good. Has Daisy's father got a short hair?
Yes, that he has.
Nice. Has Daisy's father got a straight hair?
No, he had.
Okay, one more time.
Hasn't. No,
Hasn't.
he
Very good.
hasn't. Hasn't.
Great. Okay, has Daisy's father got a red mustache?
No, he doesn't. No, he hasn't.
Very good. Okay, now this time I want you to circle two adjectives that mean the same.
Oh.
What are the adjectives here that have the same meaning? Can you circle? We have,
Mm, we have
for example, tall
short hair.
and high. Okay, they mean the same. Tall and high. They mean the same. What about here? What are the adjectives that mean the same?
Straight
We have,
hair. Short hair.
oh,
We
short and straight hair are not the same. Okay, they are opposite. Just like happy and sad. They don't mean the same. Okay, what is the adjective that has the same meaning with happy? That means smiling.
are smiling.
Okay, smiling or happy, smiling or excited. Okay, that's the same. Okay, now what about this one? So short and straight are not the same. So we have here blonde and fair. All right.
Right.
Okay. Blonde and fair means the same. Okay, so do you have any question?
Uh, long hair and curly hair.
Okay, curly and long are not the same. Okay, so do you have any question? Question.
No, I don't.
Okay, thank you so much for joining our class today, Nee. I hope you learned something. You've got one great job, one star, one sunflower, and one candy. Thank you once again. Have a good night, and I hope you learned something. Bye, Nee. See you tomorrow.
Bye, Tita.